If you have a Webmix that you would like to share in Symbaloo, you can do so by clicking the share button at the top of your page. From here, you can click Share this Webmix. In this window, you will be able to edit the name of your Webmix as well as the Webmix description. You can also add any tags or related keywords to make it easier for others to search for your content. At the bottom here, you're able to either choose to publish publicly or privately. If you publish publicly, you'll be given a simple link to share your Webmix out, and your Webmix will also be available in the Symbaloo gallery, meaning that any Symbaloo user can search for and add your Webmix to their account. The other option is to share privately. This gives you a custom link that you're able to share with whomever you like, and you can also send it via email, or copy it to your clipboard or share on social media. We'll get into embed code in a further video, but what this would allow you to do is embed your Webmix onto your own website using the HTML code that's available here. For now, I'll exit out of here, and I'll show you the two other sharing options that are available on Symbaloo Pro accounts. The first is to be able to share and publish your Webmix to your workspace. What this does is allow you to show your Webmix on the public domain that you chose for your Symbaloo Pro account. On this particular account, it happens to be symbaloo-class.symbaloo.com. If I hit publish and open a new tab to navigate here, you're now able to see that this Webmix is available for users to view on this domain. I'll go back to my account here. And the last sharing option to explain is inviting others to collaborate. What this would allow you to do from your Symbaloo Pro account is add another individual user to your account that would be able to edit this Webmix with you in real time. This helps to make things more efficient if you need some assistance building or editing your Webmix, or even just keeping it up to date. By allowing others to access, you are now able to add collaborators simply by entering a new name and email address. If you have any questions on sharing options within Symbaloo, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.